This is Bryn with Sterling Yoga. I specialize in teaching back care related classes. So today I'm going to show you a way to traction your spine so that you can find length in the normal curves of the spine and find space for the vertebrae of the spine and balance for your hips. So we're going to place our hands onto a sink. They can be at shoulder width distance. If you're having shoulder issues, I really recommend you bring your arms a little bit wider. And I tend to like that for my curve in my neck anyway. So I bring this wider. Then I walk my feet back until my sit bones or my butt bones are behind my heels. So I'm creating the shape of dog. And then I start to, so sometimes I even bend my legs, and then I feel like the tops of the thigh bones are pressing back. And then I use my hands on the sink to help me pull my mid-back, my thoracic spine, and my rib cage forward. So notice that I want to push up through my head. So I'm going to direct my gaze down, so I bring my ears in line with my shoulders, or my head in line with my shoulders, or so. So I'm trying to create that evenness and trying to see if I can use the position of my feet pushing down, my thigh bones pushing back, to find balance in the spine. If I start to push up, I know that I'm not at the right distance. Or if I start to collapse through here, I know that I need to start to engage my abdominals. So then I start to walk my feet forward into more of a chair pose. So I allow my ribs and my belly to lay on my legs. I can bend my legs a little bit more, or if I'm having issues with my knee, I can start to push my butt back a little bit. So I allow the rib cage to lay, but not just completely collapse. Same thing here, trying to find a slightly downward gaze so that you're not extending through your neck. And then if you want, you can start to walk the feet forward so you're coming to a squat. Same thing here. So I can come down all the way. I can even widen my feet, or I can push my butt back a little bit. But I can allow the spine to start to round here a little bit if I want to. Or I can keep elongating the same way. And then when I'm ready to come out, I come out through reversing the pose. So I press down through the feet, extend through my inner thighs, and come out, stand in Tadasana. Observe how your body's feeling. Thank you.